Did you know that in 1906, a man was put on display at the Bronx Zoo in a cage next to chimpanzees? His name was Ota Benga. He was 23 years old and he had come from the Congo. He was not a criminal. He had committed no crime. The zoo simply decided he was interesting enough to exhibit. They put him in the primate house. They gave him a bow and arrow. They let the chimps roam around him. And then they opened the doors to the public. Tens of thousands of New Yorkers came to watch. The newspapers praised it. Scientists called it educational. Zoo officials described it as a rare anthropological opportunity. Nobody stopped it. A group of black clergymen in New York protested loudly. They were largely ignored. Ota Benga was eventually released after weeks of public pressure. He never returned to the Congo. He spent the rest of his life in Virginia, and in 1916, he took his own life. The zoo kept its doors open the next morning.